our chairman along with the other dignitaries to please proceed.
Thank you, sir. Can everyone give a huge round of applause, everyone?
I welcome all the 12 teams. This tournament is not for win or lose, but this is the event where we have come from different organizations, from different places to foster friendship, to foster the spirit of sports and learn the trust. When you play in football, which is a team game, even if how best a player you are, you cannot win alone. And you have to trust your other fellow, your other colleague. The combination, communication and the dignity which you will have to show not only to your team player, but to the player of other team also. So these things which you learn while participating in sports are more important and are equally relevant in our day-to-day life, in our organization also. The trust in organization is of paramount importance. And this team sport is also just one example of that. In sports, we are having two teams. And before starting the match, we know that one team will lose and one team will win. So sports will make you learn how to accept the defeat also with dignity. That is the strength of sports. So our aim is not to win, but to make friends here. And this friendship may be lifelong also. So I wish you all the best. Few people have come first time in Goa, and this carnival also is going on. Goa carnival, I was told that will be there for 4 days. So enjoy that also and be very comfortable. That is the first thing. And I just wish that more and more officers, the colleagues from organizations, they participate, because this tournament or these types of sports among all PSUs are not for the win. I again say not for the win. So more participation from the organizations should be there in future. So I wish you all the best and just have a nice stay. Best team should win.
India, various teams, especially Northeast and Delhi, East, West. So all the team players are come here and really made this event successful. And in this occasion, I really express my sincere gratitude to the chief guest and All India President Kalyan Shikha ma'am for gracing this occasion. I also express my sincere thanks to our member HR, Nivedita ma'am, for her continued support for maintaining for sporting initiatives. Thank you ma'am for your presence here. I also convey my sincere gratitude to Sunil Jarji for his guidance and support. My appreciation also goes to APD and his team who were tirelessly working all along and making this event a grand success. I also appreciate the Sports Control Board, Western Region, Sports Control Board, CHQ officials present here make all the coordination possible. And I also appreciate and the entire, especially Goa airport team for their commendable work for organizing this. I thank all the artists performed here very nicely demonstrating the cultural variants of India for our enjoyment. Thank you very much. I also thanks the band team who performed here. I wish all the players and coaches, managers a successful stay and play here, and I also wish, as our chairman had told, that only the best team will, and instead not only the winning, you take home the coordination, understanding, the friendship, what you call, and this memorable event that you cherish in your mind. Thank you one and all once again, including media, and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.